The Frogtown High Engineering and Manufacturing Academy was launched in February of 2026. Today we celebrate the creation of this newly founded career path with the potential for expansion. Frogtown High was one of 10 schools awarded $185,000 for this academy. The grant was sponsored by Battelle, a global research and development company.
Today, we hope to show you firsthand the powerful role of public schools and how they play a role in educating our students, but also in strengthening families, developing our workforce, and supporting economic growth across our community.
Something truly special, something special for this school, for our county, for our community. I couldn't be more passionate about this project. We're a small, traditional public high school. We're in a manufacturing-rich county, where about a quarter of the county works in a manufacturing-related field. And I think they believed in our vision for providing a career pathway that's going to provide our kids with the credentials, the hands-on skills that they're going to need in order to fill those jobs.
Manufacturing pathway is really allowing these kids to recognize that they don't necessarily have to go the college pathway. They're graduating with credentials. They're graduating with COTC college credit for the engineering and the manufacturing. But if they decide they want to jump straight into the workforce, they're ready to rock and roll with skills that our industry partners are looking for.
How do you feel this grant has impacted engineering at Frogtown?
I mean, I think you can see it in this room, it's been huge. All the machines, all the opportunities for students. It's just taken the PLTW pathway from, just this opening your mind to the engineering concepts to making it actually possible. Like you're hands-on, getting these credentials. You can graduate high school and now go into a manufacturing job. And that's just absolutely huge for any student going through this pathway.
Do you plan to go into engineering in the future?
Yes, I plan to pursue aerospace engineering at the United States Air Force Academy.
And something unique about you is you got to cut the ribbon, which I thought was pretty cool. How did that feel?
It was a good feeling.
Really?
Just knowing that the hard work has been paying off, not just for me, but for all the students, and being able to officially open this to the community. It was a good feeling. I was very thankful for that.
So, what does it mean to you that students get to do hands-on learning at Fredericktown?
It's the most inspiring thing ever to come here today and see the culmination of all of the work that this community has come together to support, from the economic development community, from the business community, from the teachers, from the superintendent, to be able to give kids opportunities to work in ways that is going to show up in their life is just truly inspiring. It makes it feel like school is modern and joyful and really connected to the world of work.
So, how do you feel about this whole grant thing? Does it benefit you in life?
I think this is a really big opportunity that we've been granted, and I'm really looking forward to using this info in the future.
What do you want to do after high school?
I want to be an electrical engineer, as of right now.
How has this grant benefited you in high school?
It's definitely made the engineering program a lot more exciting. Beforehand we had some metal blocks to play with and whatnot, but now we've got all these machines here that we get to use on a daily basis and learn how to use.
Do you plan on pursuing a mechanical or engineering career in the future?
Yes, I plan to go to college for engineering.
So, how do you feel this grant has benefited Frogtown STEM program?
Oh, it's awesome. With getting able to work hands-on on these machines really gets us to see how certain things work in electrical systems. And then when we move on to the pneumatics and the robot and all that, it's awesome. It's great.
It's really impactful. It shows us what real world working areas are like.
Do you guys plan to pursue engineering in your future?
Yes, 100%. I do plan to go to college for it and possibly go here soon to do an internship over at R&R Solutions.
Awesome.
I plan to go to college for electrical engineering, so yes, 100%.
How do you feel this grant has impacted engineering at Frogtown?
Well, I've always been interested in engineering. I'm actually in digital electronics. I really think this is going to help and improve the environment that we work in. And overall, I'm just really excited for this.
Do you plan to pursue engineering in the future?
Yes, I do. I plan on being an electrical engineer.
How do you feel this grant has impacted engineering at Frogtown?
I feel like it's helped our city or our students like as a whole, and I think we're all going to benefit from it.
Nice. Do you plan on pursuing engineering in the future?
After taking this class and other classes with this course, I think I will.
It's time for our students to come on up here because you will be the ones cutting the ribbon.
Mr. Chapman said, this is about the students, about the opportunities they're going to have. So I've asked Mr. Anson Wanger to do the honors today, to cut the ribbon. He's one of those students I said who's been in here, who's asked to come in during his free time, during study halls, to get extra time on the equipment. He's put several of those certificates up on the wall. So Mr. Anson, would you, Mr. Wanger, would you do the honors?